Welcome back. In this tutorial, we will understand what is resource-based view. VRIO assesses the value, rarity, imitability, and organization of a company's resources and capabilities to determine their competitive potential. Resources that are valuable, rare, costly to imitate, and organized appropriately can provide sustained competitive advantage. The VRIO framework is an internal analysis that aids businesses in identifying the advantages and resources that grant them a sustainable competitive advantage. The first step involves identifying these variables for your organization. The primary objective of this framework is to pinpoint these elements. Once identified, specific questions can be posed to reveal more details about them. Identification is crucial in this framework. Let's break down the significance of each variable within the VRIO framework. First is value. It is intrinsically tied to the specific needs your product or service fulfills and the capabilities it offers. Key questions to consider include: what particular abilities do you empower customers to leverage? What valuable resources do you provide to customers? Second is rarity. It relates to the availability of your resources and how accessible they are to your competition. Essential questions to explore include: what hard-to-obtain resources do you have at your disposal? What unique capabilities do you provide? Which aspects of your product or service have low supply and high demand? Third is imitability. It parallels rarity but specifically explores the competition's ability to replicate your solution within their business model. It raises questions such as: what is the cost of duplicating your organization's resources or solution? Does anything similar currently exist? And fourth is organization. The organization component involves an internal analysis of how your business operates and is structured for success. Key prompts for this section include: are there dependable workflows within your business that foster success? What management structures and systems are in place to ensure the effective utilization of your resources and advantages? Now let's do the VRIO analysis for McDonald's. The VRIO analysis of McDonald's business is a broad variety analysis supplying the organization with an opportunity to obtain a practical competitive benefit versus its rivals in the food and beverage industry. Summed up, the resources used by the McDonald's company are valuable for the company or not, such as the resources like finance, human resources, management of operations, and experts in marketing. These are a few of the crucial important aspects for the recognition of competitive advantage. The valuable resources made use of by McDonald's are even unusual or costly. If these resources are typically discovered, that it would be much easier for the rivals and the brand new rivals in the market to easily move in competitors. The replica process is pricey for the rivals of McDonald's business. It can be done just in two various methods, i.e., product duplication, which is produced by McDonald's company, and launching of the replacement of the items with switching cost. This increases the hazard of disruption to the current structure of the industry. This part of VRIO analysis handles the compatibility of the company to place in the market, making efficient usage of its important resources, which are tough to mimic. Regularly, the development of management is completely depending on the firm's execution technique and team. Thus, this polishes the abilities of the firm by time based on the decisions made by company for the progression of its strategic capitals. Thank you. You can also check out other important tutorials available at our channel. If you've ever laughed, learned, or just slightly nodded during this video, do me a favor and give it a like. Let's create a virtual high-five moment. Do subscribe our channel and suggest in the comment section if you have any video recommendations. Hope this helps you. Stay tuned.